The Fat Morning Tales is about the birds with the bird Lorikeets. Lorikeets are live in the ocean. See if you are. So Parakeet. The parakeets are live in beds with the very options and tells you at the ends of the story you know. You know with a piece eat. Oh man, something in the winter, the hurricanes. Shire the birds with it basically days. The moor is a bird that bells with the big goose with Lorakeet birds. The Viking himself. There's a Viking of the birds. It's so smart, even Lorakeets, and they can beat them Viking and storms for a shelf. They're so sweet and fly, so the birds I can see for birds and fly. Country for more eyes for Japanese hunters of Japan. Lorakeets alone the bird in the tree died. The birds inside. She decided to buy the Lorakeet, the parrot's son, Lorakeet parakeet bird. Exhausted to trees about $2 and percent to a year. 100 billion tree to Amazon sun. There's flying a bird with a bar parrot. The parakeets are living the side, so I cannot see the birds, the parrots, to Lorikeet beds. Heaven's funny to live in. Then the smart, two are wild to stay or shelter. The pieces love to eat two worms.